Again, my learning curve for this new GoPro camera is steep. I seriously don't know what I'm doing. You know what I do know what I'm doing is geocaching before and going most likely during a charity event. My bro Jesse is doing a fundraiser for his stair climb. So I thought, well, I bet along the Burt Gilman Trail, or at least in the Kenmore area, there's going to be some geocaches. And lo and behold, I was right. The first one I found right out of the gates, my buddy, the one and only, Komokino, found it right before I did. I found it on his log sheet or his log entry right before mine. So I'm actually utilizing the GoPro app. I don't know how this is all going to work in the post editing or post. Again, not too sure about this, but wish me luck. One of these days I'm going to have to figure out a way if there isn't a wide angle view. Maybe there's a more angled view. But anyway, got myself a brain bucket. Reason being is I found myself in the Kenmore area, which is city limits. And city limits and city ordinance dictate that you have to have one of these damn things on your head while you're motoring around on your bicycle. Speaking of which, I am not using my own bicycle. I'm using a friend's. Thank you, Julian. Appreciate it. Yes, I will eventually give you back your bike. Probably when I purchase my own damn bike, and then you can just give it back. Sorry for monopolizing it. But it's for a good cause. It's for the kids. Well, after some experimentation, I finally figured out how to use this bracket and helmet cam, and therefore I feel like a royal idiot. I was given as part of my accessory packet a selfie stick, so I bought one, but it was telescoping, so I guess it doesn't, it kind of washes out, only for the simple fact that the telescoping one will really be able to get me a better shot than the one at just at arm's length. So damn. Okay, so we're doing a little experimentation with the head cam. I can see myself seeing myself in my phone. Super creepy, very Matrix-like. Alright, we're gonna try and find a nearby cache.
And I, once again, Los with Most. I'm in front of and behind the camera. I'm using some new technology, so there's still that, trying to figure it all out. Let's just drink. Squeaky. You know what? That is my nickname, Squeaky. Where's Carlos? Oh, we don't know Carlos, but Squeaky. He's around the corner.
There he goes.
In fact, there he goes. Train wreck is about to start. I got my GoPro going on. I've only got about 20%. Let's see how far it goes.
You should save that to the end.
Well, I'm gonna do a little bit and then I'll turn the damn thing off. Unofficial. We're on our first leg. We're heading off to the Hoppin' Hound. We launched ourselves out of 9 Yards Brewery. I am 2 beers deep. I honestly don't know how the rest of this footage is gonna go. I'm gonna try my best. We do have our token runner. Thank you so much. Rudy! Woo!
It's a lot more difficult to run it. Just saying.
Just saying. All right, we're drinking, we're biking. We're heading to the Hoppin' Hound.